आई थिंक इट वाज अमेजिंग, बहुत मज़ा आया यहाँ पर। मैं सोच नहीं सकता था कि डॉक्टर्स इतने टैलेंटेड, इतने फुल ऑफ लाइफ है, फुल ऑफ स्पिरिट है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ट्रेडिशनल महाराष्ट्रियन वे में वेलकम किया गया, शुरुआत की गई, एंड इट वाज वेरी गुड। आई एम प्राउड टू बी हियर।
ये महाराष्ट्र चैप्टर ऑफ द इंडियन सोसाइटी ऑफ असिस्टेड रिप्रोडक्शन था, इसीलिए हमने एक पूरा महाराष्ट्रियन थीम रखा था। और पहले ही जब ये हमें चीफ गेस्ट चाहिए था, हमने इनका ही सोचा, क्योंकि इनका और हमारा बॉन्ड बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। इनकी वजह से, इनकी फिल्म विकी डोनर की वजह से पूरे इंडिया में आजकल लोग एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि सीमेंट डोनेशन, एग डोनेशन, एम्ब्रियो डोनेशन ये नॉर्मल है, कोई बुरी बात नहीं है। सरोगेसी ये सब एक्सेप्ट होते हैं। तो बॉलीवुड बहुत बड़ी तरह से कंट्रीब्यूट किया है हमारे फील्ड में भी, and he is multi-talented. He's absolutely an example and a hero and an idol for a lot of us. So we are extremely proud to have him with us.
Thank you. As I said, I'm very fortunate to be a part of such a special film which ushered masses about in the realms of infertility, artificial insemination, semen donation, and it's my pleasure being here. I think thank you to Rishma ji, Dr. Pai, that I'm here, and I think it's high time people should know about it. And this is the Maharashtra chapter of ISAR. And all the best to them.
But it's all about the infertility issue, which Dr. Pai has been the chairman of the Association of Maharashtra, ISAR. Now Dr. Reshma Pai is taken over. I'm associated in a way because I've been knowing to the family quite well. And infertility, the thought itself, is also something which is close to my heart. See, it's basically a problem, a very common problem in the city of Bombay. We call it infertility due to stress levels or basic junk foods, what you eat. I would rather term stress levels more. I'm not here to educate, but yes, I am also one of those who has undergone this. Probably that's the reason I can talk much better there. We, as a couple, me and my wife, were also undergoing this treatment for almost 6 long years. Nothing really worked. Maybe science was not that advanced during those days, what it is today. Things have changed. Infertility is one aspect or one thought which now, probably after all the medical science improvements, it's like probably no home without a child.
अब टैबू नहीं है। आई थिंक हमारे फिल्म के ज़रिए वो टैबू रहा नहीं है। एक्सेप्टेंस मिल गई है मासेस को, कि जो लोग इसको टैबू समझते थे वो कहते हैं हाँ ये बिल्कुल नॉर्मल सी बात है। अगर आपके बच्चे नहीं हो रहे हैं नेचुरली, तो आई थिंक यू शुड लुक आउट फॉर दीज ऑप्शंस एंड या स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट्स, एंड दे वेरी ईजीली अवेलेबल। आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी काफ़ी बढ़ गई है, एंड आई थिंक थैंक्स टू विकी डोनर ऑल्सो दैट इट हैज़ क्रिएटेड एक्सेप्टेंस अमंग मासेस।
I think the film really has helped spread the knowledge of advanced technologies, and he's really done a fantastic job, and he keeps on doing this fantastic social work. Not only he's film oriented, but also is contributing to social awareness.
I think the message is clear that you should be open to all these things, open to artificial insemination and assisted reproduction, and the science has evolved a lot, and this is the time we should be look beyond taboos and other things in life, and I think I'm proud to be here.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.